What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're checking out Beep Beep by Hoshimatic Project. I think this is on Sweet Sweet's channel. Right off the rip, this make I can't remember the name of the song for the life of me. I guarantee you one of you guys is gonna already know what I'm talking about, and you're gonna comment it in the comment section below. This makes me the animation of this already makes me think of we checked it out. It was one of the original songs we ever did. It's by Maury. I wish I could remember the name of it. One of you guys will have it. I guarantee one of you already knows and you're already commenting it. So let's get into it, guys. It's probably by the same animator. Maybe not. Wow. That was actually really good. Animation's fantastic. The choreography of the VTubers models are fantastic. All their vocals are amazing. I am actually very pleased that that came across my feed. You guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Every new subscriber gets us one step closer to ads, gets us one step closer to making a difference here on the channel by donating all ad revenue to research charities and other things to help make a difference in the world. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. I will see you guys in the next video.